Guys, we're gonna show you all the butcoin stashes in the construction site. There's one there. There's one all the way up here. My friend is showing you them. Here's this one. One right over here. Oh, yeah. My YouTube channel is called James Kyler. Yeah, someone showed me that one. Yeah, there's one there. There's one in the water. Guys, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. I don't do Yeeps yet because I'm not signed in on the thing. So I'm only doing real life videos so far. Hey dude, why are you going up here? There isn't one up here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Is this one? No? No, it's not. It's one of the yellow green ones.